Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, September 19th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, I don't know what to say about today. You know, we made quite a bit of money, and I should be happy about that. But unfortunately, we hit our high mark shortly after the open this morning. And, you know, we hang on to trades, and I kind of had to sit there and watch profits erode all day, which, even though we did pretty well at the end of the day, that's a frustrating kind of day for trading. We had, you recall from the video yesterday, we had about $22,000 in open trade equity on the close yesterday. When I opened up this morning, we were up just over $30,000, and I think at one brief shining moment, probably like maybe 30 minutes after the open this morning, we were up to $33,000. But then things kind of started to decline slowly but surely, and it was painful to watch. And by the time we cashed in our chips much later in the day, we closed out just shy of $16,000. So basically I had to sit there today and watch about half of our profits go down the drain. You know, we trade a system, and we got to follow the system. And there are days when it starts out pretty mediocre, and by the end of the day, it's great. In fact, that's the way it was yesterday. But today, it just didn't work that way. It seemed to me that there was a lot of profit taking in the market today following yesterday's big run-up. I guess that's probably to be expected. Anyway, we traded the system. We made almost $16,000 today and closed out trades, and we're carrying just a few positions into tomorrow, a total of positive $1,800. So can't really complain about the day. Let's take a look at the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average again today, and you can see, you know, this has been a really nice climb in the last several days, and yesterday we had this huge run-up following that announcement by the Fed, and this morning it opens up just a slightly negative, tries to go positive, and then it just gradually declines all day. No sell-off here. This is not a sell-off. It's just, as I say, I really think it's just profit-taking coming in from that big run-up yesterday, and the Dow ended up closing down 40 points. I'll show you kind of what are both the good and the bad about today was. This was, I showed you this trade yesterday. This was in EKX, Endeavor Silver, and you know, we just had a spectacular explosion yesterday, and then it opened up and just went sky high the first 15 minutes. I would suspect, I didn't really see it, but I think Endeavor Silver was probably up 8,000-9,000 up here. And then it just, along with the rest of the market, started doing this decline, and it did come back a little, and we got out just shy of, well, no, not just shy. It was $3,400 we got out of Endeavor Silver. So basically, again, that's about half, well, a little more than half of what this market was on its highs. And I'll show you another market that was quite similar. It's still a very good market for us today. And this was in WLT, which is Walter Energy Corporation, and we had bought this thing yesterday on a little pop-up, and it pulled back, was even negative for a while. Then it really went gangbusters toward the end of yesterday, and then it made more headway this morning, and this market was probably up pretty close to $6,000 right up here. That looks like that's about maybe an hour and a quarter into the trading day, but then it started the gradual decline along with everything else. And when we got out of this, we still made $4,000 on Walter Energy, and that is not a shabby trade, but again, it wasn't at its high. So that's just the way it goes. We had a good day, can't complain. This is Trader Bob signing off, and I will see you tomorrow on Friday.